Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Meta Business Suite. After that, sign into your Facebook account and you will be redirected to the home page. On this page, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on the All Tools icon. Now, a new menu will slide onto your screen. Inside it, go to the Settings embed under the Manage tab and all of your account settings will open up. Here, go to the Instagram section under the Accounts tab and you can see there is a Add Instagram Account button. Simply click on it and a pop-up warning about business profile will appear. All you have to do is check this box and click on the Claim Instagram Account button. Now sign into your Instagram account and this window will open up. Here, you just need to click on the Add Account button and your account will be connected automatically. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.